Okay, so I love the creative process. I'm somebody who started in very disparate worlds. My mother was an artist, so I grew up with very beautiful, large-scale oil on canvas paintings, and I was brought up to believe that from nothing, a blank canvas, you could take what was in your imagination and make it come to life, create something that was beautiful and really moving. I also grew up in a household where my dad was an entrepreneur and a businessman, and so business was in my blood. I had a lemonade stand when I was 5 years old, and we sold lemonade with raspberries and mint in it because it was a better product. You know, it's like early product marketing. And so my creative process was something that was really messy and like emotive and engaged, but also very focused on how you could build a business around it. I'm Ariel Garten. I'm the founder of Muse, the brain sensing headband that helps you meditate and sleep. Catch me on the Technologist of the Month podcast.